Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Call of Duty Mobile on your PC. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to download Call of Duty Mobile on your PC, first you'll need to download an Android emulator. Simply go open up a web browser and in the web address bar type in bluestacks.com. Soon after you end up in the official web page of BlueStack, click on the download link available on the left hand side of the screen. Make sure to download the Android emulator first on your PC, and once it is installed, launch it open. Once you open up your BlueStacks Android emulator, go ahead and click on App Center. You'll also need to log into your Google account, so go ahead and enter your Google account credentials, that is your email and your password, and then this will be able to open up your App Center. Now into the search box at the top, type in Call of Duty Mobile and search. Click on the application that you see from the list and click on the install button to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded and also make sure you have a stable internet connection during the process. Soon after the download is completed, you'll be able to play Call of Duty. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.